Excuse me. Hi, everyone. My name is Sarah Connor. I'm happy to, get to work with everybody this term or this semester in our field placements. I hope that we get to learn a lot from each other and be able to share our experiences. The field placement that I will be doing is at a drug and alcohol treatment facility, working with adults suffering from drug and alcohol disorders. What I hope to get out of this placement is that I'll be working directly with individuals suffering from drug and alcohol addiction. I hope that I'll be able to help these individuals find and learn tools in order to better their lives with treatment and finding aftercare, doing discharge planning, just doing groups and stuff, working with everybody. How this placement will be different from my generalist placement. This is actually, completely different from my first placement. My first placement was with child welfare, and I did case management, working with families that are dealing with drug and alcohol addiction, though it's, in some situations it kind of took a second, like a behind aspect of the case. Yes, it was important, but, being able to learn the tools and stuff like that to get their children back was important also. And it was kind of one of the, differences that I experienced. I think that this experience will get me the ability to actually work directly with individuals that are experiencing drug and alcohol issues and help them learn the tools that they need to be able to, live a happy, sober life. And, hopefully I can, reach some people that, maybe haven't ever had anybody to listen to them. And, maybe I can actually, do what I can do to, help some people out. I think this will be a great experience. I feel that, working with this population is so important just because of the vast variety of individuals that are suffering from drug and alcohol issues in our society, especially, and maybe I can, do what I can do. I hope everybody has a enjoyable placement and is able to learn a lot, as I feel it I'm going to be able to. And I hope everybody has a good semester, and I look forward to meeting and working with all of you. Thank you. Bye.